Here's a Whirlpool refrigerator. Has got a lot on it. Papers and stickers, all that's there. Here's this paper of how to work out the television set. And now, which we're not gonna go on this video here. Yep, it's a mess. Just like every refrigerator I found. Here's the informations. The light switch, whatever this is, blocking switch bulbs. Freezer, quite the same. Let's see if there's a manufacturer on this. Jeez. Don't do this too much. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna go over trying to find this manufacturing date. Oh, there isn't one at all. Anyways, we got the switches. 3 stamp, and then which is just 5. Light. Turn down on and off. Ice type. And lock. Just in case if your children come on and just mess with it. There's lock option you can use. I'm gonna demonstrate that. Boom, it's locked. Now if you want to unlock it and hold it again, boom, it's back up. Anyways, this is it.